So I've got a 2007 Tundra, and that's got almost 240,000 miles on it, and I'm probably gonna keep it for another 240,000 miles. But there's just so much of this truck that's still the same, but at the same time, so much has changed over the years. I mean, the engine sounds almost identical to mine, which is a good thing because mine has basically been bulletproof over the years. But yeah, just a really, really smooth ride out of this truck. And it's got the faithful 5.7 liter, the 6-speed automatic, and it's just perfect for this truck. And Toyota hasn't really had to do anything, which is why they've pretty much left this truck alone. So next we're gonna go ahead and merge onto the interstate, see what acceleration looks like. So of course, with it being a 5.7 liter V8 and almost 400 horsepower, you've got the power that you need. But the shifts were very seamless, no clunking or anything like that. And the radar cruise control is doing its thing. I've got it set to 76, but it's only doing 73 due to the vehicles in front of me. I'm gonna adjust the gap just a little bit. And it's gonna speed up just to keep that shorter distance between the truck and then the truck in front of me. And the lane departure is very accurate. But a really good ride from this truck coming down the interstate. Just doing the speed limit. And it's averaging around 15, 16 miles a gallon. Here we're gonna do just a slightly less aggressive pass down the interstate. got a really good sound within the cabin in terms of acoustics. It's not an echo chamber or anything, but it's just a really good sound. It's not loud in here at all. You can hear the people talking next to you without having to scream. And a really nice ride height too. I like how the hood slopes down. I can see pretty well in front of me, and that definitely helps when I'm trying to park this, because it's not a small truck, but when you're trying to park it, you can definitely see pretty close to what's directly in front of you. And handles itself very well, stays within the lines. Like I said before, it's not getting blown out by anything. Very sturdy. But that's gonna bring me to an end of my review of the 2021 Toyota Tundra SR5.